As I was reflecting, my dear friends, we can reflect on three kinds of people in today's parable. I know there are three persons mentioned in the parable, but we'll see the three types of people. And let us reflect on it and see what kind of person am I? Am I the same, that kind of person? Let's do that. The first kind of person is the one who says, what you have is mine, and I will take it. This is that attitude of the robbers. You see, in the parable we have three types of. The first type of people we see are the robbers. Now these robbers, they had been waiting for this person who was journeying, the innocent fellow, and they were just waiting to grab him and grab the things which he had. And we know that they beat him up and they left him for half dead, and they robbed him and they went. We don't know who these people are, these robbers are. The Bible doesn't mention anything about them. But what we know is the attitude is that what you have is mine and I will take it. So let us reflect on this, my dear friends, and see, are we this kind of people? Are we sometimes, we are like these robbers who want to take what others have, who want to steal from others fruits and rights. Sometimes, we want to snatch others' things. This is the one thing. So it's a nice thing to reflect on. The second type of person I would like you to reflect on is, the one who says, what is mine and I will keep it.